This was from this morning. Bernie's sitting wearing these mittens, and now they're putting him everywhere. Forget of where's Waldo's? Where's Bernie?
Previously on TWiT. Hands-on tech.
Retro video game consoles are pretty awesome, but I just got the one that I've been anticipating the most. I'm going to review the C64 by Retro Games next.
Windows Weekly.
I am getting more and more excited about Windows 10X.
I think a better name for this would have been Edge OS. It really would have been.
Oh, but interesting. Like Chrome OS.
But then...
it's not just like Chrome OS. It's not as good. See, that's the problem.
This week in Enterprise Tech.
In Parler's case, I think it's a case of not being as concerned with privacy as they said they were, and not being nearly as skilled at programming as they should have been.
How many of you remember that IT guy for Jurassic Park?
Yeah.
I think our friends at Parler were building Jurassic Park on the cheap. What do you think?
TWiT. Line 10, print I love TWiT. Line 20, go to line 10.